Welcome to WC Woodwork Creations, where we craft furniture pieces that are distinctive to your flair. We specialize in handcrafted wooden masterpieces such as coffee tables, dining room tables, countertops, and consoles, just to name a few. We do not believe in mass production. Instead, each piece is carefully designed and personal attention is priority. Like on our 3-meter Matumi table with transparent epoxy, or our custom-made coffee table, and our 4-meter Jackberry dining room table with black epoxy. WC Woodwork Creations, custom woodwork for your custom taste. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.